This is Father's Day 2023. Uh, just out here watering and checking things over, see how things are going. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there and the people that act like fathers that aren't really fathers, mentors, or whatever, uncles, guys. Uh, Teach these kids stuff, good stuff, uh, good wholesome things. Sunflowers doing good. Growing lots of these things over here. I wish they'd quit growing so much. You guys got to go. Out here walking on my damn plants, playing, digging around, doing whatever you're doing. So, happy Father's Day, everybody. See what's going on here. Zinnias are doing great. You got red, yellow, purple, some kind of purplish looking color. Uh, Marigolds are doing good. Got a red, looks like yellow maybe, and a pinkish purple on this zinnia here. Uh, Malungai or moringa's doing good. It's growing pretty good from the stick that it was. Got some peppers on here. I can't remember which ones these are. I got hot bananas and sweet bananas. And I can't remember which one's which. And these are the little purple cayenne peppers. These things are doing good. They're already produced and been pulling them off here and eating them. I needed to make some more dried peppers, so planted these things here. They do good. They're purple. You notice the little purple flowers. And the stems of the plant are purple too. I see you over there. Little fatties. Tomatoes are doing good. I don't even know which ones these are. I know there's some red ones on some of these somewhere. I'm about half blind in one eye. I can't see out the other one, so you just kind of have to look around and see. But plenty of blooms on there. So Napa cabbage, more tomatoes. I guess I'll be canning a lot of tomatoes this year. Turnips, carrots. Pulled up a bunch of this pak choi that was bolted and putting seeds out. Eggplant's doing good. That's a Japanese eggplant or Ichiban. These are the regular Black Beauty eggplants here. And as far as pepper goes, I couldn't tell you which one's which. I just threw them in the ground, so I don't know. And then we got some eggplant on here, the little ones anyway. Give them a week, they'll be big enough to eat. Those are those tomatoes I transplanted out of the compost pile. I have no idea what kind they are. It's probably Roma mixed in with cherries. I'm being followed. That's my peas there. They're lima beans, haven't germinated yet. They will eventually. If they don't, oh well. It's worth a try. Don't see any bees out here this morning yet, unless they already been out. We're at I'm gonna guess that's probably 7 foot tall now. I think these down here are a little bit taller. I know this one is. That's got to be over 7 foot. These peas are done. Snow peas and sweet peas. I pull those up and put them through the shredder and put them in the compost pile. I already dug up all the potatoes. We'll replant potatoes probably August maybe. Taro. The tomato mess over here. Squash. I'm going to have to do a treatment plan for these squash, and if I replant those, replant that upo, I'll have to step up the game on the treating them for them fine borers. I guess if you get them early or before the little white moths lay eggs and the larvae get in the plants, you'll do okay. Really, there's no other treatment for them from what I heard. So this is how you don't manage a compost pile. You're not supposed to have things growing out of it, but it is. And just let them grow. Yeah, if you notice this one, it's looking kind of ragged. It hadn't deflated yet, but I've got a couple few zucchini off of here. Just picked one this morning that was probably a foot long. Probably should have got it yesterday. Squash are doing good over here. Trying to water these in a little bit. These are all butternut. Well, most of them, these are butternut here. And that's a butternut. This whole row here is butternut squash. That's kabocha here. That one, this one here. And all the rest of them are butternut squash. They got blooms on them. Probably shouldn't have planted them so close together, but oh well. They're in the ground now. Got a water pressure problem here, so this thing doesn't really work really good. Got one cantaloupe decided to come up, just the one. So I doubt we'll have cantaloupe this year. Nothing else has come up yet. Watermelons either. So anyway, let me go turn this thing off and go drink some coffee and eat some breakfast. So happy Father's Day, everybody. Hope you all have a good diet. Eat too much, drink too much, do whatever. And happy Father's Day.